Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Claude as an app. If you want to install Claude AI as a desktop app, so Anthropic provides an official app for both Windows and macOS. Now, open any browser and search for Claude or Claude AI. Click this one. Make sure it's the official website. Then go ahead and sign into your account. Now, once signed in, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Cast, Save, and Share. Next, click Install Page as App. You can rename it, and then click Install to confirm the action. And that's it. You can now use Claude as an app. So it will open a new window. Then from here, so if you click this Claude logo in the taskbar, you can right click on that. Then you can pin to taskbar. Right click on it again, and then click Unpin from taskbar. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so open Microsoft Edge and search for Claude AI or Claude. So click the website. Then in here, click the three dots in the top right. Then go to More Tools. Then from here, go to Apps. Then just click Install this site as an app. Then confirm the action, and that's it. So Claude will open a new window, and you can now use it as an app. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.